When we hear about wealthy individuals, we keep hearing this word net worth. What is this net worth and how is this calculated? Is net worth a good indicator of success? Today, let's look at some of the definitions of net worth and also study some of the other parameters that impact success. So, let's dive in.
Three, two, one.
Let's go.
So, let's look at what is the conventional definition of net worth. Simply, it's the total of all your assets minus total of all your liabilities. We studied what is asset and liabilities in one of our earlier videos. I will put a link to the same below. But assets generally are those which generate positive income for you recurringly in the future, and typically their value also appreciates. While liabilities are those which perpetually suck money from you. Example of assets are like mutual fund, real estate, rentals, even savings account, fixed deposits, etc. Liabilities are essentially things like debt, your loans, your credit card outstandings. They're all liabilities. Let me share an example of how a net worth is calculated. In this example that you see now, it's for a person living in the US, and I had totaled the typical assets that he would have and some of the most common liabilities that you see in the US society. And that's how a net worth is calculated. What factors impact net worth? One, of course, is your investments, the investments that you have made in assets, and all the other passive income that you have created. Your income growth also helps in the net worth, because the more the income, the more surplus money which you can move into your investments. The other important factor is your expenses. Are you living within your means, or are you spending far above by using instruments like credit card, etc.? That has a significant impact on your net worth. And finally, debt management. How do you manage your debt? Like I said in one of the earlier videos, not all debt is bad. How do you manage debt will also impact your net worth. The net worth is a fairly good indicator of your financial health. A high net worth indicates that you are financially good and healthy. And what does that do for you? That allows you financial freedom, the freedom to make choices, take decisions without worrying too much about how it will pan out. For example, you don't like your current job, but there is something else that interests you. You needed to make a change in your career, which probably could have been normally risky, but when your net worth is far better, you can take this risk, and it allows you that freedom. Is net worth the only indicator of success? To me, it's 1/3 of what I would call as the 3 indexes for success. Along with financial health, I would rate equally important as your physical health and your mental health. Your physical health is based on how disciplined are you on your diet, on your exercises, and generally moving your body around. Are you treating your body as the biggest asset that you possess? Mental health depends a lot on also how calm is your thinking, how self-disciplined in your thoughts are you, what kind of relationships are you with, and things like that. But to me, fundamentally, among the 3, if you don't have the first, you can't get the other 2 so easily. You need to have money, you need to have wealth, So financial health and the freedom it gives is very important for you to gain physical and mental health. It doesn't mean that because you are wealthy you get the other two on its own, because you have to make intentional choices to improve your physical health and your mental health, and that financial freedom allows you to make the right choices so that you have all three doing well. How would you rate your net worth? Can I ask you to do a quick calculation of your net worth and see what is it today, and build a goal of what you want it to be in the next 10 or 15 years. Make an aggressive goal which scares you, but believe me, once you have the goal you will find the way to achieve that. And also tell me your thoughts on what success means to you. Do mention them in the comments. Thank you. Till next time, stay unstoppable.